Hello and welcome to How to Play Shut the Box, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the dice game Shut the Box. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The video will conclude by showing a variation gameplay of head-to-head. The objective of the game is to shut, or lower, as many numbered tiles as possible during your turn. A round begins with all the tiles in the up position. Player 1 will roll 2 dice and add them up. Player 1 can now lower an equal number of tiles. Player 1 will roll again and gets a total of 9. Player 1 will lower the 4 and 5 tiles, which equals the 9 rolled. Player 1 continues to roll as long as he has an equal number of tiles to lower. Player 1 rolls a total of 5 and does not have tiles to equal the 5 rolled. Player 1's turn is over. Player 1 scores the amount of tiles still left up. Player 1 scores 11. Once Player 1's score is recorded, Player 2 will begin his turn with the tiles back in the up position. Once Player 2 can no longer lower any tiles, his score is recorded. Once each player has had a turn, the round is complete. Players that have over 45 points after a round are eliminated from the game. The last player standing wins the game. Once a player has the 7, 8, and 9 tiles lowered, he may choose to use only one die, but is not required to. If a player lowers every tile, it is known as shutting the box, and the player scores no points for that turn. If all the remaining players go over 45 points in the same round, the player with the lower overall score wins the game. The game can also be played head-to-head with 2 players. Player 1 will begin the same way as in the first gameplay. Once Player 1 is no longer able to lower any more tiles, the turn is over. In this gameplay, the tiles lowered remain down. Player 2 begins his turn with the goal of raising the tiles that Player 1 lowered. Player 2 will roll until he is unable to raise any more tiles. Play moves back to Player 1, who will again try to lower all the tiles. If Player 1 can lower all the tiles, he wins. If Player 2 can get all the tiles raised, he wins. In this gameplay, both dice must be used every roll. That wraps up How to Play Shut the Box. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.